We're here today in Nashville, Tennessee, showing our 250 gallon reverse flow smoker, model ST2400. It is the 59 inch by 29 inch. It's our most popular selling smoker, and we try to keep this one in stock. So if we don't have it in stock, just give us a call for build times, things like that, just depending on the time of year. So you've got a tray here for meat preparation, things like that. You also have 2 doors on the smoker, so it's a 250 gallon barrel. It comes with temperature gauges on both doors and on the warming box. So as you'll see, open the first rack, you've got a slide out tray. So you can slide out to be able to reach the back of the tray. Makes it easier. So you can cook a lot of briskets, smoked chicken wings, barbecue, any kind of barbecue, ribs. I mean, this is the perfect trailer for somebody starting out, trying to do some big time cooking. Now the firebox is located here, and it is vented so you can control your heat. Now inside the firebox, you'll see that's where you would put your wood. Now you can see where the barrel is cut. That's why it's a reverse flow smoker. So all the heat goes underneath the meat all the way to the end of the barrel. It comes back over the top of the meat and out the smokestack, which I'll show you in a second. So there's your firebox, and there's your smokestack. So the heat actually goes underneath the meat and on top of the meat. So that's why a lot of people really like these reverse flow. So that's where the end of that is. Now in here, also you have another temperature gauge for your warming box. So your firebox is directly underneath here. So these have slide out racks. When you get done with your meat, you can put it in here to keep it warm. You can also cook some types of foods in here. Some that need a little less heat. Now on the back side over here, you got a cage for wood storage. That's what that's designed for. You can use it however you please, but it's built there for your wood storage. This trailer comes on a 3,500 pound axle with steel wheels and radial tires. You got a 2-inch ball, so if you decide to purchase, you'll need a 2-inch ball for hookup. Comes with safety chains and trailer light hookup. So give us a call if you have any questions regarding this smoker. We'll be glad to assist.